love this stuff. Kind of. Fix it. If it spills, no problem. Except for that. The problem. It's getting all over the place. Oh my gosh. Anything you want to tell me what that is? I know what it is. It's poison!